And you're 15. You look younger, like 13, 14.
Yeah man, she had 13 plus man. She's 13 plus. She
You're
don't
15.
no, she not reached 15 yet. She had 13 plus.
How old are you really?
Soon 14. September I'm 14.
Oh, September you're 14.
Yeah.
Great. So you're 13 right now. When's your birthday?
September.
Yeah. What day?
26.
26 September. You'll be. Wow, that's great. So you're still in school right now.
Yeah.
What school do you go to?
Concord High.
You're happy to have sex with me? Is that okay? And I give to you 300, okay? And I'm giving Tony 100 US for introducing you and Sasha to me. So again, is there a problem with your mother? Does she know? Did you tell her today?
No. But just like this now, I don't make she know nothing because I can get her out her house whenever time I'm ready, okay?
Oh, you can?
Yeah, I can.
Why? Does her mother...
Yeah, she trusts me.
She trusts you?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you her sister, her brother?
Yeah.
Or her husband's...
No man, I'm her brother.
You're her brother? Okay. So will you give her any of the money, or you
No.
just keep... so 100, 200, 300 for you, and 100 US for you. Well, I wouldn't be able to have sex with this beautiful girl if it wasn't for you two, so thank you very much. All right, let me just go and get my money for 500 for you. Sasha, come on, man. Come on out of the room here.
Put your hand behind your head, stand.
Sit on the bed, Sasha. Okay, first of all I want to tell you, you're not in trouble, okay? You're not in trouble. These are policemen, and what your uncle is doing is wrong, okay? He should not be selling you to me, and it's not your fault. Your uncle, he's an adult, and he should be looking after you, not selling you to Western men like me. This lady's name is Jan. This is Sasha, and she is here just to make sure that you're okay, and she will take care of you. We want to communicate to your uncle and to Tony that young girls like you who are 13 should not be sold so that they can make some money. I'm sorry I had to lie to you about about what I was doing here, but we do this work because we want to help girls like you so that you don't have to be sold like a slave.
Oh. Taken from that would